Okay, so I'm going to test the compilation time of one decent size Angular project in the MacBook Air 1, an Intel 8750H and a Ryzen 3700X, and see how they will compare. So the first step is just to see which project we're gonna use. It's gonna be this ngx-admin. That is an amazing dashboard that is quite decent size project to have. So yeah, the idea is just to come here, clone the code. I already did it. So here we can see the nav fetch of each one of the machines. This is the current one. This is the MacBook Air. Let me run it again. You guys can see it. Let me clear the screen. There you go. So yeah, it's a MacBook Air with 8 gigs of RAM. Just like the most basic version of it. Here we have another laptop. This time is an Intel i7-8750H with 32 gigs of RAM. And here I'm actually connected using the screen share of Windows. In here I have a 3700X running on WSL, and yeah, the same computer is just this time is running on a native Windows binary. So yeah, this is also nav fetch on Windows that I just found out. I didn't know it was possible. I just installed it with a scoop. Neat tool. So awesome. Now let's start it then. So just npm run start, and I will do the same here because they're different machines. There is no problem. Oh, I'm not even in the repo. Awesome. There you go. In this case in Windows, because it's the same machine, I will have to do it separately. Yes, I'm in the project there. Okay, the MacBook Air already completed. So here I can actually execute it. I will use my other computer here. Okay, the Intel one is still ongoing. Yes. Let's see if I can show the full output here. There you go. So I can put this too. Let's wait for it to complete. Yes, I'm running the sound recording on the Windows machine, but that shouldn't make much difference. I already executed a few tests, and the time is just it's almost the same. Let me run it now. Here, this is just all the things that I had before, and let's see. Okay, the other one. That's odd. Oh, it's already in use. Let's stop this one, of course. It already finished it. The one in the Intel 8750H in 76 seconds. Now let's wait for this. This one was completed in 32 seconds. Is the 3700X running on WSL. And this is a desktop. So it's an interesting result. Now let's wait for the native Windows binary. Well, actually I can stop this one, and now we can see build time. so I can run the build for this. I will run the build for this. Okay, it finished it up in 47 seconds. That is really interesting. Okay, now let's run the build here first. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the MacBook Air already finished. It was quite, but yeah, it was the npm run build, and it did it in 27 seconds. Quite amazing time for the build. And the 8750H is still ongoing. I think a more accurate test will be to test it out with the new mobile chips on Ryzen, but still waiting for those when they are. Okay, the build is still ongoing on Windows native. Okay, let's just wait for it to finish. 49 seconds. And now let's run it on WSL. And let's see how it goes. Okay, it finished it up, the one in the Intel-based laptop, at 98 seconds. That is running on Pop OS, so I'll be slower there. And there you go, 34 seconds on WSL on Windows. Actually, a more accurate test, of course, this is not scientific at all, but I have seen, like, on this machine under Linux, this could go between 10 to 15% faster. So if we compare this to the result on the MacBook Air, I'm just surprised with this result. Alright, so that will be it, at least for this interesting project that is decent size on Angular. Thank you.